Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the phone and app so you can capture reliable scans right away. Make sure the Matterport Capture app is installed, signed in, and granted camera, storage, and location permissions. Once done, select LiDAR or 360 degrees capture on your iPhone model. This determines scan speed and accuracy. Start in a corner of the space, hold the phone about 1 to 1.5 meters from nearby surfaces, tap Start, and walk slowly to let the app register geometry and textures. Now you'll execute the detailed scanning strategy that yields crisp models. Move in consistent patterns, scan each room clockwise, and make overlapping passes with roughly 30 to 50% coverage so the software can align point clouds. Pause briefly at doorways and corners to capture geometry transitions, and slowly rotate to register vertical surfaces. Keep an eye on the app's real-time feedback. It flags gaps or misalignments, so if you see red areas, rescan those zones immediately to prevent reconstruction errors later. Complete the final sweep and upload your capture set to Matterport Cloud to create the 3D model. This offloads heavy processing and preserves device battery. Once processed, review the model online, add labels, measurements, and export floor plans or dollhouse views as needed. If something looks misaligned or has holes, rescan the specific zones from different angles, then reupload. You can also use the cloud's alignment tools to correct minor registration errors. And if uploads fail, check Wi-Fi strength and retry the transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.